name is Ted, and today I'm going to tell you about worst animal parents. My parents aren't worse. They carry a lot, but today I will talk about worst animal parents, that they are animals. The first animal is the cuckoo bird. First, cuckoo birds lay in their nests, and when the cuckoo birds fly away and take the food, other birds sit on the cuckoo bird's nest and lay their own eggs there. When the cuckoo birds arrive at the nest, when they found the strange egg there, they may push it down before it hatches or leave it there. If the cuckoo bird mom leave it there, a baby bird will grow, and when the cuckoo bird mom go out and take food again, the big bird will push the other chicks, the baby cuckoo birds down, and they died. When the cuckoo mothers came back, then they kill the big bird, and the big bird parents come there, and the cuckoo bird chase them away. And the next animal is sharks. Sharks are scary, aren't it? Sharks can lay other sharks. First, a mother shark have her baby sharks in her belly. Inside the mother shark belly, the baby shark have fun in there. When a baby shark have bigger, they go out of the mother shark tummy, and the others look like that too. A female shark maybe can lay about 20 eggs in her stomach. The other animal is ratty bugs. This bug live in India and Australia. When an animal is dead, for example, a mouse is dead, the bratty bug's mom carry it into the ground, and when the bratty bugs lay the egg, she uses the meat from the mouse to feed the egg, and the baby bratty bugs grow. When they are hungry, they just crawl to their mom and scratch their legs on their mom's face. The bratty bug's mom looks angry, so she ate the baby bratty bugs. But she only feed the baby bratty bugs that didn't ask her, so she will feed them. Now Now is the hippo. Bullet hippos, as known as male hippos. When a female hippo have its babies, now the two find a herd of hippo. But there is a problem. There's lots of males hippos called bullet hippos there. When the mother is away, a bullet hippo sneak behind the baby hippo and grab it. It kill the baby hippo with its mouth. That looks scary. Now, let's look at the millipede worm. This millipede is bigger than a worm. But if it's millipede worm, a size of a worm plus a size of a millipede together, it's very big. When a mother millipede worm lays its babies, the babies will eat the mother's skin.
Eat.
Will the mother will eat the mother's skin. Will the centipede, will the millipede worm mom dead or not? No, it won't die. But in 1 week, the mother millipede worm will retreat back their skin. Now the baby millipede worms again, they have the feast. Do you know why do the baby millipede worm eat the mother's skin?
Eat, not ate.
Because the mother's skin contains nutrients, vitamins, and fats, and DNA. When the millipede worm baby eats their mother's skin, they can grow and grow. And now the last animal is koala. First, the koala mom make them as a ball on a tree like this. She sleep, and the baby koala is in her stomach. First, they have no ears, no eyes, no mouth, and no nose, and no fur. After 1 week, they grow the fur, ear, mouth, nose, and eyes. Now they open their eyes. After 2 weeks, they come out of the belly, of their mother belly. First, when the baby koala is 2 weeks old, they climb on their mother backs, and their mother climb on trees. They start eating tree branch, but 2 months later, their mother start doing something different. When their baby are hungry, they give them poop. I am not saying anything wrong is correct. And the mother, I don't know why the mother koala gives it baby poop, and it will destroy the baby koala digestive. That's a bad habitat. I don't think they will do that in real life. And that is something I can tell you about worst animal parents. And thank you for listening. Bye-bye.